Come today in front of me Vivo Y01 and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first you should go into the settings application and then tap here on this network and internet section. Here you'll see the Wi-Fi switcher. Just to activate Wi-Fi, click once on the switcher and tap on the Wi-Fi section. Here you'll see all the available networks, and you can select one from this network and to connect to them. For example, we'll go with this one, and here you should enter the password by click here once on the checkbox. You can see the password to have some mistakes, and I'll just do this out of screen. And now just click here to connect. Wait a second, and as can you see, our device successfully connected to this network. And if you want to select another network, just by the same way, click here and enter here the password and click to connect. And if you want to just turn off the Wi-Fi, you should here click once again on the switcher and you will just disable the Wi-Fi on our Vivo device. And also we got the second way how we can connect the device to Wi-Fi. You should just open the notification panel and here click once on the Wi-Fi icon, just to hold for a while the Wi-Fi icon, and by the same way you will launch the Wi-Fi settings and you can select one from these available networks here. And just then to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should click once again on the Wi-Fi icon. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.